Hello, and welcome to Coastal Carolina University Student Computing Services Technology Information Series. How to connect your CCU student email to mobile devices. This particular series, we're going to show how to set up the CCU Gmail account on an Android device running KitKat. Additionally, there's a second series which will show how to set up the same email information on an Android device running Lollipop or higher. Other Android phone and tablet setups will be similar to this. The main settings options will be used along with the default Gmail app. While there are literally hundreds of other Gmail apps located in the App Store, they will all utilize the same settings or the same information when setting them up. So let's get started. At the start screen, you can access the settings information by either going through the apps list and finding the settings option, or click the menu button and select settings. Under the settings menu, you'll want to swipe up until you find the accounts section. In the accounts section, you'll want to select add an account. Since Coastal Carolina University utilizes Gmail or Google as its hosting solution for students, you'll want to go ahead and select Google. A notification will appear asking if you want to add an existing account or create a new one. Go ahead and select existing. However, before you type in anything, go ahead and select the menu button on your device again. This will bring up an option called Browser Sign In. This will be at the very bottom of your display. Select that. You'll be prompted asking about the terms of service and privacy policy. Go ahead and select OK. When you do that, a Google email portal will appear. In this location, you'll want to enter in your CCU email address. Now this will be the complete email address, which will be your username at g.coastal.edu. You do need to put the g.coastal in there. However, you do not need to enter a password at this point in time. Go ahead and select Sign In. After a short time, the CCU app's login will appear. You will enter in the CCU credentials that were given to you, which will be your CCU username as well as the password that you have changed to make your own. This is the same CCU credentials that you will use to access WebAdvisor, Moodle, or even the CCU app's login page or email on a regular computer. So go ahead and enter that information on the screen. Then click Login. A notification will appear indicating that you're signing on to the account. Next, Google services will be asking you some information, whether or not you want to use their services for this account. You can just cycle through by pressing the Continue button, or press Skip or Continue. When the account's done, the Google account will be in the list now. If you have multiple Gmail accounts, they will be all listed under the Google option. If you want to make any changes to like sync settings or the Google's, you'll just need to select the Google account and then select the sync settings. All you need to do is put a check mark in the area or option that you want to use. Now let's go to the Gmail app. The Gmail app can be found under the apps locations or apps list. Additionally, you can have this pinned to the home page for faster access. The email app will look like an envelope with a red M on it. So let's go ahead and select it. When it's open, your first screen you will see will be your inbox. This will be your list of all emails. The email is usually sorted by newest first, and unread emails will be a darker font color than normal read emails. To see any folders, click on the inbox at the top left-hand side where the 3 lines are. You'll then want to slide down to see more options. If you want to make any setting changes, go ahead and select Settings at this location. You can make changes under the General Settings, as well as your user account settings, which is your email account. When you're done, the email will be set up and ready to go. This concludes the Android Gmail app setup. SCS can be contacted if additional assistance is needed. We are located in Kearns Hall, room 113. Our phone number is area code 843-349-2220 or 843-349-2908. You can also follow us on Twitter at CCU_SCS. We also have a Facebook page, www.facebook.com/CCUSCS. Thank you.